everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my October premium Boxy charm. It actually came in 2 days ago and I didn't film it right away because my room was a mess and I did not like the energy in here. So today I am ready to do that because I spent last night cleaning this room and reorganizing. I've been actually selling a lot of things that I haven't been using and it's been going great actually. Okay, so I don't know, this may, oh, whoa. I don't know about that. I thought it was just like a candy shop advertisement, but got some scissors and bloody fingers. I don't know. Okay. First thing, we've got tinted face oil. Tinted face oil. 5.5 tone, medium with olive undertones. Huh. This is interesting. You just guessed my skin tone. Looks like this. It says shake well. I do not know what to expect right now. Oh, actually that looks like my skin tone. Oh wow. That is a creepy good match. You could barely see it on my hand. What? How they do that? Okay. I'm a believer, Boxy charm. I'm a believer. Right now, let's try somewhere on the face. Is this, what kind of coverage is this? I'm guessing it's just like sheer coverage. You know what? I'm gonna use my Eco Tools sponge because that does not absorb things. Okay. I mean, it's going over foundation, but if it looked horrible, you'd be able to see it, right? I mean, I can't tell. See, look, Eco Tools, very good sponge. It didn't take in any of the product. Wow, it's a very nice liquid as well. I want to do this on the whole face tomorrow. And I've never heard of this brand. Kosas? Tinted face oil. Oh, wow. Well, okay. We are going to be going into the drier months. My skin gets like, oh, I cannot stand when my skin looks and my makeup looks when it's foggy and muggy out during the day. Maybe this will make it look a little bit more alive, I'll say. Very nice. Okay, loving this. Next item, there was some stuff that was like right on top of, I didn't even open the little flap yet. So we've got a Bodyography eye pencil 2-pack. If I remember correctly, yeah, they gave us a lip 2-pack. So this is a pencil 2-pack. Onyx, 2 onyx. Oh. So it's just a black eyeliner. Okay. I wonder if it's a good one since they gave us 2 of the same color. We'll have to see. It's not smudge proof, I can tell you that. Okay. Next item, another Fenty item. Brow MVP, Ultra Fine Brow Pencil and Styler. Wow. I really like the Fenty over there. This reminds me of the Dior one. It's exactly how it was, a little twist up like this. Oh, but cool. That's a cool little brush. It looks like an artiste brush, but like for eyebrows. Let's see how this goes. That might be better because you know these little spoolies get gunky. I don't like that. That feels nice, actually. Let's try this way. I can't leave one side. Oops. This is probably the best brush I've ever seen on an eyebrow product. I'm very happy with this. I'm gonna eat the box. Okay, what else is in here? Murad Hydration Toner. Whoa! I've never had a toner from Murad, I don't think. Alcohol free. Balances pH while lifting impurities. Nice. I wonder if it has a smell. Any fragrance? There's no ingredients. There is a fragrance. It smells kind of good. It smells fruity. I don't know what fruit though. I almost want to say strawberry apple. But nice. I like that. And we have a palette. Illuminati times Isa. Let's take a look. There's a very interesting mix of colors here. The one that looks most interesting to me is this one in the corner called Purple Dream. I almost want to swatch it, but I'm probably not going to keep the palette. So I just want to look at it and admire it. And yeah, I haven't been really keeping many of the palettes unless it was like something I was really, really wanting. But it's pretty though. The packaging is really pretty. So, something else in here. The last item. Go-to exfoliating swipies, foolproof exfoliating pads for glowing skin. Let's get some more exfoliating pads, which I'm not mad at because I use mine so quickly. These ones have like a citrusy scent. This is kind of interesting. When I look at the product, it's kind of like, it looks kind of shimmery almost. I don't know if you're able to see it. Oh yeah, I can see it on camera. So what is this? Is this cotton? Is this what? I don't know. Yeah, it's cotton, but I don't know why it's got that shimmery stuff on it. That's cool. I'm gonna try this one tonight. What if my skin comes out shimmery after? No, it's not glitter or anything. It's just some kind of shimmery product on there. I don't know. It might just be the product reflecting. I don't know. But yeah, I think that's everything. Anyways, I will see you guys when my base box gets here, hopefully soon. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.